birthday. We got a surprise for you. It's a surprise for you. Are you excited? You playing with your Play-Doh? You got your iPad over there? Yeah. Mommy and Daddy feel like, you know, you're getting older now. You should get a surprise. You gotta pull the bag out. Wait, whoa. Tap out? You gotta go in there. There you go. There you go. Uh-huh. Okay. You gotta pull the bag out. That might help you. There you go. Alright. Oh, okay. You wanna put it on the table? Help you out? No? Okay. Uh-oh. What do you have? What? What is it?
A phone.
You got a phone? Alright. Take your time, player. Turn it the other way. You had it. Ooh. You got it? Okay. I can help you. No worries. There you go. Ooh. Those are stickers.
Stickers.
Yeah. Those are stickers for the phone. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Daddy.
Hmm?
Why is that coffee?
That's your charger. That's your charger. That's your cord. And here's the box. Hey, don't plug it in. Daddy will plug it in. Don't worry about that. You want to tell Mommy thank you?
Mommy.
That's right.
Take it out.
Huh?
You want it on? You want your phone on?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see if we can push the button right here. Oh, you have to charge it. You gotta charge it up.
It's Play-Doh.
You have Play-Doh on your fingers, and now it's on your phone. So now, Rain, see you have your iPad. It's all scratched up, right? It's all dinged up, scratched up. So now you have an iPhone. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You got your Play-Doh. You can tell Mommy thank you. Like that's it.
Thank
You got a whole phone. How old are you today?
you.
3. Good job. Big girl Rain.
Huh?
Brother, you want to say something? You want to say something to your sister? She just turned 3 today. Nah. Okay. We'll have to force it. So Rain, now Daddy is about to make some treats. About to make some treats. I can plug your phone up though. I'll go plug your phone up, okay? Huh? Okay. About to make some treats. I guess I can. It's for you and it's for me. It's for me, really. But I have some Fruity Pebbles. And I have some marshmallows. Can you guess what I'm going to make? Huh? Yeah, I have marshmallows. Yep. You see it?
I want to taste it.
You want to touch the marshmallows?
Yeah.
Here you go. You go hold them. So I'm going to make, I got marshmallows and I have Fruity Pebbles. Right now I'm going to, whoa, hey. You can't. You try to eat through the bag? You silly goose. Okay, well your mom said you're not allowed to eat marshmallows. It's a choking hazard. But you can have the Rice Krispy treats that I'm going to make, okay? All right? All right, we're going to make them. And it's be a nice little treat for your birthday, okay? Hey, bro, don't touch my lens, man. Come on, bro. You got to do better than that. Daddy's about to make these marshmallows for you, okay? And I'm going to charge your phone up too, okay? Okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's see. Oh, this phone was dead. All right. So now I'm about to do my Rice Krispy treats, Fruity Pebble style. The steps to making the Fruity Pebble Rice Krispie treats is the butter, which you saw me reduce down until it was all melted in the beginning. Step 1. Step 2 is add the marshmallows. Make sure they're all the way reduced until you have no lumps. In which I see no lumps. And now from here, I'll add 5 cups of Fruity Pebbles. Mix it in until I pour it into the pan that I have already ready, available for serving. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's done. And I already gave it a try. It's kind of interesting. I'm going to show you. So, clearly it's a little more gooey than I want it to be. But it's solid. It's solid. It's everything I want it to be. But it's just a little stuck. So next time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use like the smaller marshmallows than the bigger ones, because the bigger ones took a while to like reduce. But I think if I use the smaller ones, then it'll give me like the results that I want at a faster time. So, you know, it's a lesson learned. It's my first time making them. Will not be my last time. And so I know what to do next time. Smaller mushrooms. Wow. Smaller marshmallows. Makes it cook faster. And I'll get the desired results. So, that's that. Lesson learned. Huh? Want to say hello?
Yeah.
Oh, say hey. Go ahead. No, don't touch it.
Ow.
Want to say hello?
Here.
Okay.
Sa.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right.
Take it.
Thank you. Well, thank you for that, Rain. Didn't know what that was about, but you just wanted to say something. Until then, beautiful people, Rain, here's your phone.
My phone passing.
Yep, it's finished charging.
Done passing.
Mm-hmm.
A star.
Yeah, push the.
It's a star.
Anyway, just so y'all know, no, we did not get Rain a brand new phone, but we did give her Crystal's old phone because Crystal's old phone wasn't good. So we gave it to her. It's functional. It just has a funny home button, but nonetheless, Rain does have a phone. She now has an iPhone, an iPad, and a tablet. The girl has options. So however she feeling right now, whatever she want to do, however she want to connect, she can do it. Before we know it, she'll have an email address. But that's my girl though. You know what I'm saying? I love it. Anyway, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead, like, subscribe, click the bell, comment if you feel, if you choose, if you won't. Until then, have a great day, and don't keep up with the Joneses, because your life is your life. So do what's necessary to fulfill your purpose.